Say, Dominic, what you got? What do you got? Don't fall off. Woo! Move your feet. Move your feet. You gotta push it. Say, I'm falling. Yeah. There you go. Say, arf. Did your doggy sneeze? Did he sneeze? Puppy? See, that's what we got with the rest of our gift cards. Yeah, from your baby shower.
Hey, that's my nose.
10 months old, and we finally used them. Want to try and walk? Say, Dad, remember my socks. Slip my socks off. The floor is too slickery. Say, the floor is too slickery. There you go. Hold on. Dominic, come on. Come on. Come on. Hold on to it. Come and see me. Come on. Push. Push. Whoa, Nelly. Say, whoa, Nelly. Oh, you're tired. Are you being lazy, bum? Oh, but I want to play with it, Dad. Turn it around and push the buttons.
It's music time. Would you feed me a treat? Scratch my nose.
Dominic, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.